My name is Jessica Johns. This is my lab report 6 for anatomy and physiology, the urinary system and reproductive system of the fetal pig. So to identify the kidneys of the pig, they are posterior behind the small intestines here on the left hand side, this small bean-like sac, and then on the other side back here is another bean-like sac. Those are both the kidneys. On the outside of the sheep kidney, the adrenal gland sits superior in a small sac at the top of the kidney. This is the ureter where the kidney drains, and then the urethra on the fetal pig would be here at this small opening. It's this line running up and down here. And then the urinary bladder is this empty bag looking sac right here. Then on the sheep kidney, the inner renal pelvis would be both of these light structures right here at the center of the kidney. The middle medulla is here where these lines are running in the center of the kidney. And then the outer cortex is this outermost part on both sides. Then in the neck region, the esophagus runs behind the trachea. It's this very thin tube running posterior to the trachea. And then the liver is this very large sac here with several regions. Below that is the gallbladder, which stores bile, which would be this small sac here under the liver. And then the stomach is this another empty bag looking structure here. And the pancreas is kind of, it's hard to see, but it's a very large, not large, but cottage cheese like structure just below the stomach. This tongue-like figure here is the spleen. And then also connecting to the stomach is the duodenum, which is the beginning of the small intestines. Just below that, the next portion of the small intestines would be the jejunum. And then at the base is the ileum running down here. It's the third part of the small intestines just before the large intestines, which would be this large separate structure here. So stomach, duodenum, ileum, jejunum, pancreas, spleen, large intestines. One more. This is a male pig. The scrotum, before I cut him open, was the outer sac holding the testicles. The testicles are these two figures here. The spermatic cord connects the testicles and runs posterior, and this coil-like figure here, also posterior to the testicles, is the epididymis. And then the seminal vesicles are posterior to the bladder right here. So I think we got everything. Yep, that's it.